Are you ready to learn the secret to making $1,000 in just a few hours? It's an unconventional method that only a few people know about, and it involves a combination of skills, strategy, and a bit of luck. Now, before I reveal the details, let me warn you that this comes with significant risks. The clock is ticking and the pressure is on. You will need to be focused, resourceful, and daring to pull this off. Are you up for the challenge? Alright, welcome back to the Quick Cash Chronicles, where we dive deep into the world of making money, saving money, and everything in between. You're in the right place if you're looking for smart financial tips, creative side hustles, investment insights, and ways to turbocharge your financial journey. Join us on this adventure as we explore the strategies, stories, and secrets behind achieving financial freedom and living life on your terms. Let's make every penny count together. Making $1,000 in just 3 hours may seem daunting, but it's possible with the right approach. Now, of course, there are some key challenges to consider. Finding high-paying opportunities, possessing the necessary skills, working efficiently, and effective marketing. To overcome these hurdles, consider offering high-value services like consulting or coaching, target niche markets, work with multiple clients simultaneously, automate tasks with technology, and implement a referral program. For a real-life example, take Sarah Smith. Sarah Smith is a freelance writer who specializes in writing for small tech businesses. She utilizes these strategies to consistently make over $1,000 per day in her freelance writing business. By adopting these tactics, you can increase your chances of achieving the $1,000 goal within just 3 hours. But remember, it does require dedication and hard work. Making money online is all the rage these days, and there are a few fun and flexible ways to do it. Let's dive into them. Now let's talk about gig economy platforms. They're a nifty way to earn some fast cash by doing tasks on a per-job basis. Now these platforms cover a broad spectrum of industries and services. Here are a few popular ones. Number 1. TaskRabbit. You can offer your skills for various tasks like handyman work, assembling furniture, or running errands. Number 2. Uber. This one allows you to use your car to offer transportation services to riders. Number 3. Lyft. Similar to Uber, but with a different pricing system. Number 4. DoorDash. You can deliver food from restaurants to hungry customers. Number 5. Instacart. Shop for groceries and bring them to people's doors. And lastly, Shipt. Now this one's like Instacart but with a broader range of services including alcohol delivery and same-day delivery. To start on these platforms, simply create an account and tell them about your skills and experiences, and once you're approved, you're good to start picking and choosing the jobs that interest you. Number 1. Freelancing your skills. Now, if you've got a specific skill set like graphic design, writing, programming, or marketing, freelancing might be your jam. Freelancing lets you set your rates and schedule, offering more flexibility compared to traditional jobs. Platforms like these include Upwork, a big platform connecting freelancers with clients worldwide. Number 2. Fiverr, which specializes in short-term gigs starting at $5. We've also got Freelancer, which is similar to Upwork, offering a wide range of opportunities. Number 4. TopTal, focused on high-end tech talent. And lastly, People Per Hour, which is particularly popular in the UK. Now to start freelancing, create a profile showcasing your skills and experience, then browse for jobs and send proposals to clients. Secondly, we've also got selling stuff online. Do you have things lying around that you don't need? Sell them online and make some quick cash. There are various platforms to choose from. Number 1, we've got eBay, which is a massive online marketplace for all sorts of items. Number 2, we've got Craigslist, a local classifieds website for selling to nearby folks. Number 3 is Facebook Marketplace. Use your social network to sell items to friends and followers. Number 4, Amazon. Sell items through its Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA program. And number 5, Poshmark, which is great for selling clothes and accessories. To get started, simply create an account, take pictures of your items, write descriptions, and set prices. After listing your items, you can start promoting them to potential buyers. Thirdly, we have paid surveys or online tasks. It's like getting paid for sharing our opinions or doing small online jobs. There are plenty of websites where you can hop on board, but they each have their own rules. Some might ask you to fill out a profile survey to get started, while others let you jump into tasks right away. The tasks themselves are quite diverse. You could be doing market research surveys on one platform or on another. You might find yourself watching videos, playing games, or transcribing audio files. The pay can be a bit modest, but if you're willing to put in some time, those earnings can add up. Here are some tips to squeeze the most out of this gig. Number 1. Sign up for multiple platforms. More platforms means more opportunities. Number 2. Complete your profile surveys. This helps you find surveys and tasks that match you better. Number 3. Be picky. Don't waste time on low-paying surveys or tasks. Number 4. Stay consistent, because the more you do, the more you earn. Number 5, we've got renting out assets. We have renting out your stuff. If you've got things like a spare room, a car, or some equipment you're not using all the time, why not let others use them and make some money in the process? It's like making money while you sleep. You can easily do this through popular platforms like Airbnb for renting your room or home, Tutoring for renting your car, or Fat Llama for renting your equipment. When you're renting out your goodies, just make sure you're clear about your expectations and pricing. Protect yourself by asking for deposits and getting the right insurance. Next up, we've got tutoring or coaching services. Now, if you're a pro in a particular subject or skill, you can offer tutoring or coaching services. People are always eager to learn, and you can share your knowledge online. You can do it through platforms like Wisant or Teachable, or simply spread the word in your local community, schools, or online groups. Pricing your services can be a bit tricky though. Consider your experience, qualifications, and how much demand there is for what you're offering. Offer discounts for those who sign up for more than one session to keep them coming back. Next up, we've also got focus groups or research studies. Focus groups are like brainstorming sessions that usually last a few hours, and they'll often pay you somewhere in the ballpark of $50 to $200 per session. Research studies, on the other hand, can be a bit more flexible in terms of time and payment. Now, you might even score up to $1,000 or more for participating in some of them. Now, how do you get in on this action? It's pretty straightforward, really. First off, hop online and search for focus groups near me, or research studies near me. Secondly, you can also get in touch with local universities and colleges. Sometimes, they're conducting research studies and could use your valuable input. Another option is to sign up for a research participant database. This way, you'll get notified when opportunities that match your profile come up. And don't forget to reach out to your friends, family, and colleagues. They might know of some focus groups or research studies you're eligible for. Making a cool $1,000 in just 3 hours is doable, but it does take some hustle. Whether you're taking on odd jobs or participating in focus groups and research studies, you've got a shot at scoring some serious cash in a short time frame. Here are a couple of pro tips for your journey. Number 1. Be open to working flexible hours, including weekends and evenings. Number 2. Show up on time and be reliable. Your reputation matters. Number 3. Keep things professional and treat your clients with respect. Number 4. Consider offering competitive rates and discounts for repeat business. Number 5. Promote your services on social media and in online classifieds. You've got to get the word out. And lastly, network with others in your community who offer similar services. You never know what opportunities might arise. Alright, with determination and some hard work, reaching your goal of making $1,000 in 3 hours is definitely within your reach. Go get it! Again, thanks for tuning in to the Quick Cash Chronicles. We hope you found today's content valuable and inspiring. If you want to continue your journey towards financial success and explore more money-making tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.